Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to create categories in the Dashboard CMS. Let's get started. So, starting on the Dashboard CMS, the first thing you'll do is click the store icon. You're going to hover over the Products tab and select Categories. Once here, you'll click Create. Now, when creating a category, you'll need to do a few things. The first thing you'll need to do is name your category, put a description, and if need be, add a parent category. Make sure it's enabled and shown in the navigation. If you choose to do so, add a header image. Then, finally, edit your search engine optimization. Click Save. And just like that, you've learned how to create a category. Thanks everyone.